welcome back to Dadskillz. Today we're going to make the easiest and cheapest infinity mirror on YouTube. So everything we're going to use today is available on Amazon, and I'll leave those links below. So we've got a nice deep box frame there. We've got a one-way mirror that's A4 size. And then we've got a two-way mirror that's A4 size. Then we've got a 1 meter LED strip, the controller, and the power supply. Right, let's get this unwrapped. As you can see there, the frame inside. So you can either stand this up on the frame or with the stand at the back. So we're just going to partially build it because I need to make a hole through both pieces of frame for the LED strip to fit through. So I've measured it needs to be about 10 mil in. And then also we've got the width of the strip there. And I'm going to go with a 3.2 mil drill bit. So I'm going to drill 2 holes straight through. Now we take it back apart, and there we go. We've got our holes in both the pieces of frame. And then the idea was to drill another hole in the middle and then maybe cut it out with a craft knife. But because it's only acrylic, the drill was actually able to cut a slot in both pieces of frame. So that's all I needed to do in the end. So with that done, make sure you have a hoover up. Clear away any bits because we don't want anything stuck to these mirrors. And we're just going to ease back the protection on that mirror and then put it back on once it's in place. Desperately trying to avoid any finger marks or anything, because being acrylic mirrors, once you start trying to clean them, you'll leave all those swirl marks on the surface. So same again inside. There's our slot, which turned out pretty well. Right, so we're just going to feed the LED strip in. So this is 1 meter long, and in the end I cut off the last 3 LEDs on the strip. So just marking out where it's going to go. Give it a quick wipe over with alcohol wipes on the inside there, just to make sure it sticks properly. We're going to try and stick it in the absolute centre there. So there we go. All in. Still got a bit of dust in there. Dust and bits of debris that we vacuumed away. And there we go. That's the most difficult bit over. So now we can finish off. So we'll take away this protective plastic on the inside. Now we're going to take away the protective plastic on our one-way mirror and put that in. Put our back on. And there we go, we're ready to try it. That was dead easy. The final peel. There we go, the final shot. I think it looks fantastic. It turned out really well. Links for everything we use are in the description below, and take a look at the video on your screen in a moment. I think you'll enjoy that one too. I'll see you again.